Welcome to your piano lesson. If you're here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch an introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link in the description below. If you like the content of my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm aiming to publish 2 weekly tutorials. Now let's dive into the lesson. And as promised in the latest video regarding the arpeggios where I spoke about the E minor, today I want to simply show you which ones are all the arpeggios in one simple video that are using the same identical colors, so the same identical fingers, because indeed what I said is that I want to finally now group the arpeggios according to the color of the keys that we are using, and obviously also according to the fingers that we use. Because once you have understood which ones are the colors and which ones are the keys, the fingers to be used, they will be very easy. And you will understand even more today what I mean and what I meant in the previous videos. The best thing indeed is one of diving into the lesson. And indeed, assuming that you have watched all the previous videos where I explained one by one the arpeggios, you should now finally be able to understand what I mean when I say that all the arpeggios having just white keys will need the same identical fingering on left and right. And indeed, if C major was this one, okay, let's play maybe also adding the C, yeah? You can play 2 octaves. But if you simply shift, you have D minor now, or 2 octaves. Obviously you have to know that the notes to be played are the 1st, the 3rd and the 5th of the scale. In this case 1st, 3rd and 5th of the C major, in this case 1st, 3rd and 5th of the D minor. D major would be this one, with the F sharp, but we are talking about D minor. And that's why it's identical, same identical distance. And then if you play the E minor, same story. You simply shift, and you can play also the 2 octaves. And you do the same with F major, or 2 octaves, with the G major. With the A minor, it's very easy, super simple. Same story with the left side. Left side is using 5, 4, 2 and 1. Obviously also for the 2 octaves, 4, 2 and 1, you cross over the thumb. Why am I using the 4th? The 4th will be used for all the arpeggios using the 3 white keys. Because I said that when the distance in between the 1st and the 2nd key of the arpeggio is of just 1 white key, it's better that you start using the 4th. In general books give the option either 4 or 3. I say use 4 in this case. The 3rd is much better when you have a black key and it has 2 white keys in between them. But in this case 4. Same story here. You see? 4. Use the 3rd when you play the E major. But in this case no. And then you have F major, same story. Then the G major having 1 key. And A minor as well. That's all. That's all you need to know. And it's very easy. From today on you won't need to worry anymore about remembering all the notes. It's important to understand the concept, the principle. Obviously you have to learn all the notes of the scales and know that you play the 1st, the 3rd and the 5th note of the scale. I really hope you have enjoyed the lesson, that you have finally understood what I meant, because indeed I hope that you can confirm that in this way the arpeggios starting from a white key and using just white keys are very easy. Just 3 white keys, 1, 2, 3 on the right and 5, 4 and 2 on the left with the thumb obviously. And that's all you have to remember. Remember simply the notes that you need, how to shift, and it will be very simple for you. Just one more thing to mention: if you have really enjoyed my tutorial, and if you are really enjoying my tutorials, I would really appreciate if you mind the new super thanks button that you find underneath. It's very easy to be found. It's either visible or you can find it clicking on the 3 dots. If you're really appreciating my content, my videos, if you enjoy this tutorial and all the tutorials that I have on my YouTube channel, and you want to support me, I would really appreciate. I hope that you understand how much work there is behind every single tutorial, because it's not only about filming or playing. The editing process, it's quite time consuming, and then the upload and the editing of the description and all is behind the video itself, the setting, the YouTube setting, it's quite time consuming. I'm doing with all my heart because I really love what I do. Music is my life, and probably you understood how much passion I really put into all I do. So your super thanks would be really appreciated. Thank you very much. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. All the best.